So I was driving my LX 1040 the other day and all of a sudden it completely died. There was no power. I checked battery is good, but nothing else works. So I did some research and guess what I found out? On the LTX 40 there is a fuse hidden from you. So let me show you what the fuse is. So what you need to do is remove the battery. Once you lift the seat up, remove the battery, and this little thing comes out, the battery holder comes out, and right in there, over with grass, you'll see a fuse, 20 amp, and guess what, it's blown. So that's a quick fix. Good luck. So I have a little update why I keep blowing that fuse. I had to change the belt recently in my on my blades, and then when I went to put the deck back on, I didn't put it right, and actually it was cutting down on the isolation. The isolation got cut, it's creating a short, so I keep blowing that fuses. Hope that helps. Good luck.